Looking for that perfect, smooth, professional paint finish without the hassle of brushes and rollers? Whether you're painting walls, furniture, or fences, an airless paint sprayer can make the job faster, easier, and way more efficient. In this video, we're showcasing the top 5 best airless paint sprayers on AliExpress. Powerful, affordable, and perfect for both beginners and professionals. We've handpicked sprayers that deliver excellent performance, smooth coverage, and real value for money. If you're ready to take your DIY or professional painting projects to the next level, stay tuned. Let's dive into the top picks. Number 1. 1.7 liters airless backpack paint sprayer machine. Hey everyone! I'm checking out this 1.7 liters airless backpack paint sprayer machine, a super handy tool if you're into DIY or home improvement projects. It's cordless, rechargeable, and runs on 21 volts power, which means no messy cords and total freedom to move around. I love the backpack design. It's comfortable and keeps your hands free to focus on spraying. With a 1.7 liters capacity, you can cover a decent area without constant refills. It sprays smoothly and evenly, perfect for walls, fences, furniture, you name it. It's lightweight, easy to use, and great for beginners and pros alike. If you're looking for a portable, efficient, and easy-to-use sprayer, this one's a solid choice. Plus, it's certified and built to last. Definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tool reviews. Number 2. Multifunctional 1200 watts airless paint sprayer machine. I'm reviewing the Multifunctional 1200 watts airless paint sprayer machine, a compact yet powerful tool perfect for home painting projects. With 1200 watts of power and a 2.5 liters per minute flow rate, this thing handles medium to large areas like a champ. It's super easy to use, just plug it in, fill the 2 liters tank, and you're good to go. Whether you're spraying latex paint, walls, fences, or even ceilings, the results are smooth and even. No messy brushes or rollers needed. What I love is how lightweight and portable it is, great for anyone who wants pro-level results without the hassle. And yes, it's CE certified, so safety's covered too. If you want a reliable, high-power sprayer for DIY or renovation work, this one definitely delivers. Easy to handle, solid performance, totally worth it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Number 3. FengKe FK595 Electric Airless Paint Sprayer. I'm taking a look at the FengKe FK595 Electric Airless Paint Sprayer, a serious powerhouse for anyone tackling big painting projects. With a 2600 watts brushless motor and a piston pump, this machine delivers up to 3000 psi of pressure, giving you smooth, even coverage every time. The 2.6 liters capacity means fewer refills, and it sprays from 30 to 40 centimeters away, which is perfect for walls, ceilings, fences, or even oil-based painting jobs. Despite its heavy-duty power, it's easy to use and gets the job done fast and efficiently. It's built tough, CE certified, and ready for both 110 volts and 220 volts, so it's super versatile. If you're a serious DIYer or a pro looking for speed, power, and consistent results, the FK595 is a solid investment. Hit that like button and subscribe for more real-world tool reviews. Number 4. HAUDO Electric Paint Sprayer. I'm checking out the HAUDO Electric Paint Sprayer, a compact and professional tool made for easy home improvement and DIY projects. Whether you're painting furniture, walls, or doing a little decor touch-up, this sprayer makes the job way faster and cleaner. It's electric powered, so no need to worry about batteries or gas. Just plug it in and go. The spray is smooth and even, giving you a nice, professional-looking finish without the mess of brushes or rollers. What I really like is how portable and user-friendly it is, great for beginners, but powerful enough for more serious home projects too. And yes, it's CE certified, so you know it's safe and reliable. For anyone looking to upgrade their DIY game, the HAUDO sprayer is a solid pick. Quick setup, great results, totally worth it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tool reviews. Number 5. XJ395 Airless Paint Sprayer. I'm checking out the XJ395 Airless Paint Sprayer, a powerful and professional-grade machine made for both interior and exterior painting. Whether you're working on walls, fences, or large commercial projects, this sprayer is built to handle it all. It runs on 1000 watts of power, delivers up to 3300 psi of pressure, and has a 2 liters per minute flow rate, so you're getting smooth, even coverage with minimal effort. The 0.019 inches max nozzle is perfect for high-volume spraying, and it includes handy sprayer accessories to get you started right away. Despite being heavy-duty, it's actually pretty easy to use. Plug it in and paint like a pro. If you're a serious DIYer or contractor looking for reliable, high-performance spray equipment, the XJ395 is a solid pick. Fast, efficient, and built to last. Like and subscribe for more honest tool reviews. Here are our top 5 picks, carefully selected based on our personal research, ratings, reviews, quality, and durability to ensure the best choices for you. We hope this video has been helpful. If you found it useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Stay tuned for more amazing product reviews, and thank you for watching.